Welcome to Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our Steelmaster Industrial Heavy Duty NC1 Panbrake. This is our 2504, which is a 2500 by 4mm capacity in mild steel or 2mm in stainless steel, and has a hydraulic bending and clamping function. Also has a 99 station NC controller, so you can program all your jobs in there and also put corrections in there for bending angles, and that's controlled by the encoder that's mounted just in there. Behind the machine we've got some other features which are quite unique to our Steelmaster range. It is a calibrated back gauge, and it has 4 fingers along the back gauge there, and as I said, it's calibrated with the scale there so you can measure out to your back gauge position. The machine's running now, as you can hear, very nice low noise hydraulics, well finished off, all hardened and ground fingers, and we'll just run through a little cycle now. So as you can see there, beautifully finished fingers all the way along, hardened and ground to industry standard. Now we've just got a 90-degree bend placed in there, so I'm just going to clamp the pedal, and we can actually just either by the pedal there or by the console, or just press the automatic bending here now. So that's just coming up to its 90 degrees. As you can hear, very, very quiet and low noise. And then it goes back to its start position, and the beam opens up for its next bend. So jump onto assetplan.com.au and find our range of full hydraulic pan brakes. Thanks, and have a great day.